In today's video, I'll teach you how to install Robyte Roku TV remote control app. So if you want to install this application, what you have to do is open Play Store on your device. If you're using the Apple device, you can open the App Store. If you're using the Android device in Play Store, what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Robyte. You'll be able to see the results over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the application for Robyte Roku TV remote control. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, tap on this option install that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is wait for a while. You can also see the information about this application. Also, you'll be able to see the data safety over here. You can also rate this app if you want. You can also see the ratings and reviews. After you read these informations, you can simply scroll up. Now you can see over here it has been installed. Now you can open it in order to use it. So like this, you'll be able to install it. So that is how you install Robyte Roku TV remote control app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.